Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up 24 Ink T-shirt of the month club. And look how cute the bag is this month. They always have the cutest bags, I swear, but this one just made me smile when I got it out of my mailbox today. So like the name implies, if you guys don't know what 24 Ink is, the T-shirt of the month club, every month you get a T-shirt, but you can also subscribe seasonally, and they also have a shop. I will leave my shop link below. They were really sweet. They created a shop so it has all of my past T-shirts I've received there, and you can also watch my past unboxings, and then they also have the subscription plans there. So when you subscribe, you get to fill in some information, so it's customized for you, and it has a wide range of sizes, even for kids. And also, what was I just gonna say? I forget, I got like so excited. Oh, there's a theme every single month, and it's so cute. Last month was my favorite ever. It had like the moon cycle on it, and I love the moon, if you guys didn't know. I'm even in astrology school, but I just love the moon, always have. So I got really excited last month, so I'm really excited to see what the theme is today. So I will leave them down below. I believe it's $17.99 per month or season, and also I do have a code. I will leave all the information down below, of course, in the description. But before we get started, sorry, I'm like, before we get started, I want to say hi, welcome, or welcome back. My name is Kitty. If you guys are new here, I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. Now let's see what t-shirt we got. And oh, they also give you like a free extra goodie each month and trivia facts based on the theme. If you guys know me, I love trivia. My Mercury is in Gemini. I just found that out. I'm like, oh, that's one of the reasons. Pretty much it means I know a little bit about everything, but not like, I don't master. I'm like a jack of all trades, master of none. Oh my god, it's so cute. I see another smiley. So the theme is smiles, I think. There's care instructions right here. And the quality of the shirts is phenomenal. I've gotten this for a while. Sent for review. Thank you so much, by the way. I love it. Not sponsored or anything, guys. This is so cute. Oh, it's like one of those stress balls. Cool. I haven't had one of these in a while. Oh, I like it. It's got a smiley on it. So not only will it help your stress by squeezing it, it also just is so cute. Happy. So yeah, smile is the theme. I love it, and I love how colorful it is. I love color. So here are the facts. Are you ready? Smiling is more contagious than the flu. It can't be resisted. Smiling is our first facial expression, and smiling reduces blood pressure. So yeah, let's all smile more, laugh more. I'm all about that. So I think I mentioned they have a shop, so you don't have to subscribe. Or in addition, you can shop what they have or get custom-made things as well. Ooh, yay! So it says here what we got. So we already went through the stress ball, and spoiler, it's a ladies V-neck cut shirt. V-neck is my favorite cut. And look how pretty lavender paper. So it looks like it's black. Let's see. Ooh, cute. So it's a simple one. Oh my god, whoa, the back is a bunch of stuff. I was like, oh, simple little smiley, cute, but oh my god, it's even better. So wait, let me show you the front. I get a little excited and ahead of myself. I'm excitable. I think that's another Mercury and Gemini and Mercury and Venus trait of mine. I just had astrology class today, so it's like really on my mind, but can you see the color there? Super cute V-neck. I love black. I love color too. I love everything. Jeez. But I like black because then you can wear like different colors with other things, but look at the back. It's not just plain black. Oh my god, what does it even say? Sometimes it be like that. Oh my god, I couldn't like repeat it. That's so cute and silly, and I love it. I wear like t-shirts all the time now. I used to wear like dresses all the time, and I've gotten more casual, especially since moving to Florida. And I go on walks all the time. This will be perfect and probably make someone smile from seeing it, which, you know, smiles are contagious, and I want to make people feel good. I hope you guys feel good. I love this, and it fits really well. Their shirts do normally, let me try it on. I have like a little tank top underneath. I'm not like undressing on camera. I do this every time, like, oh, I should just like edit it. But I always wear something purposeful so I can try on the shirts, but I forgot to untie my shirt. I like live in these Free People little like cami things, so I can like throw a shirt over, or if I get hot, just have this on too. It's very functional, I think. So let's put it on. Yes, perfect fit. Nice. Every time I do this, I have to like, I'm like, okay, is my fly up? I love where it falls, but can you see that? Can you see it? I'm filming kind of different. Oops, plastic. I love it. I'm gonna keep it on. It's super comfy. I love their t-shirt quality. I love the subscription, and it's like such a practical, good subscription and good gift too, because like it's a t-shirt. We wear shirts usually, right? But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing, and if you guys are into astrology, what's your Mercury sign? Do you know? If you guys are into that, I would love to chat with you, but I'd love to chat with you either way. Let me know what's up, what you're up to this weekend, and yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy, and again, if you haven't subscribed already, I hope you consider doing so before you go, so that means I will see you tomorrow. Love you!